Let's make a pipe cleaner pumpkin. This one's not gonna be too complicated. I would give this medium. You're gonna need a couple orange and just one piece of green. I don't like long intros, so let's just get straight into it. First, you're gonna make one orange circle. And once you have it tied right here, you're gonna make another loop like this. And when you have it in the shape of a dome, you're gonna tie it right here and wrap it like this. Tie that last piece in the center and it should look like this. Wrap the remainder in the tip. Now, I don't want this to be a repetitive tutorial, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, and then you're just gonna repeat that step multiple times. Take a piece of orange, put it in the center. Wrap it at the base, and then make another loop. So it looks like that. Now just repeat this until this thing is almost filled in. Until it looks something like this. Now you're gonna take it and you're gonna press it very softly at the top. Just press it in very slowly. And it should look a little something like this. Now here's the last step. You're gonna take your green, you're gonna fold a little piece like this, and then you're gonna wrap it at the tip and wrap it once. And then you're gonna repeat this step one more time, like this. Make this one a little bit bigger, wrap it again, so you have two, and then a third one. Make that little loop there, press it, and wrap it. Fluff them up really quick. So it looks like that. And then you can just, here's what I'm actually gonna teach you how to do. So fold it like this here, so it has a little sticky part. Wrap it around here, and then cut this piece off, but leave a little bit of it out. Once you have this cut off, take this piece, fold it like this so that the sharp piece doesn't poke you. Fold it in and insert this into the top. And there you go, your own pipe cleaner pumpkin. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you're subscribing. Check out my other social medias. Link is in the bio. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all next time.